Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download YouTube video. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up the YouTube app, and afterwards, as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Just go ahead and click the plus button. If you are logged in with your account on Google, just go ahead and click the plus button. And from here, you're going to see post, live, and short, and video. So I'm going to just choose the video, and I'm gonna just choose, let's say for example, a video just like let's say like this one, for example. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, and after you've chosen this one, what you're gonna see the video being played. If this is the correct video, just go ahead and edit it, or sorry, go ahead and play it. And after you check that this is the right video, just move on to the next step. You're gonna just go ahead and add the thumbnail. If you want to add the thumbnail by clicking the image kind of a thing to add a thumbnail for it, just go ahead and select it. And if you want to add a title for it, just say how to, for example, upload a YouTube video. Okay, video. And after, if it's finished, just go ahead right here. And if you want the visibility to be public, unlisted, or private, or if you want to schedule it, you can schedule it at any time, maybe the same day but different timing. Just go ahead and hit OK. Just select the time and just go ahead and select the time zone. Okay, let me say PM. All right, and after you finish, just go ahead or just go back and just hit next, and you will be able to publish it right away. If you wanted to make it for kids, just make it for kids. If it's not, just go ahead and say it is not made for kids, and afterwards upload the video. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.